Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an incredibly unique and exciting topic to discuss: how to survive with kangaroos. Whether you're planning a trip to Australia or just fascinated by these amazing creatures, we've got some essential tips and tricks to share with you. So let's jump right into it. Kangaroos are fascinating marsupials native to Australia, known for their powerful hind legs and distinctive hopping motion. While they're incredible to observe, surviving alongside them requires understanding their behavior and respecting their space. Here are some key guidelines to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Number 1. Understanding kangaroo behavior. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand kangaroo behavior. Kangaroos are generally peaceful animals, but they can become aggressive if they feel threatened or cornered. Keep a safe distance and avoid sudden movements to prevent startling them. Number 2. Respect their territory. Respect their territory. Kangaroos are wild animals and they need their space. It's essential to observe them from a distance, preferably using binoculars or a zoom lens, especially if you're in their natural habitat. Do not approach them closely, especially if there are joeys around, as their mothers can be very protective. Number 3. Food and water. When it comes to food and water, never feed wild kangaroos. Feeding them human food can be harmful to their health and disrupt their natural diet. Similarly, don't leave out food scraps or leftovers, as it can attract kangaroos to urban areas, leading to potential conflicts with humans. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting content. If you have any other topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave your suggestions in the comments below. Stay safe, and until next time, happy exploring.